looking for a new home in Northeast Florida? I'm Carolina Ortega with the Life in St. Augustine, Florida team. And today I'm excited to showcase this beautiful home in the Beachwalk community.
Now to the amazing amenities. Beachwalk is home to Northeast Florida's first 14-acre crystal sugary sand lagoon, where you can go kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, swimming, enjoy the water slide, and swim-up restaurant bar. A sand volleyball court, 24-hour fitness center, a yoga studio, weight training equipment, TRX room with a children's activity room where you can drop off the kiddos while you work out, a TPC 18-hole putting green, luxurious doggy splash park, 6 brand new hard-true tennis courts. If you have kids, this home is conveniently located near 2 brand new schools. First, the high school, Beachside High, which is literally inside this community of Beachwalk. Across the street from Beachwalk is the new K through 8th grade school. The home is conveniently located near a ton of shopping and dining options. You also have a Publix and Lowe's. There's also a St. Vincent's Hospital and Baptist Health that's 5 minutes from here.
I hope you enjoyed this tour of this beautiful man-made beach home. If you're interested in this home and want more information, our information's in the description box down below. Send us a message. See you on the next tour.